In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who visited my Facebook profile. Before we dive in, it's important to set the right expectation. Facebook does not let you see who visits your main profile or reads your posts. There's no hidden menu or secret setting for that, and any third-party app claiming otherwise should be avoided. The only place Facebook gives you a definitive list of names is on Stories. First, make sure you're logged in. Open your web browser, go to facebook.com, enter your login details, and click Login. Once you're in, the simplest way to see exactly who is checking out your content is to use Stories. Stories appear at the top of your news feed and last for 24 hours. If you want to see who's viewing, post a story and then check the viewer list while it's active. To check viewers on a story you've recently posted, click on your story at the top of the news feed. When it opens, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a few small profile pictures of viewers and a number indicating how many people have watched it, something like 30 viewers. Click that number or the small profile icons. A list will pop up showing the names of everyone who viewed that specific story while it was active. This list is the only official, accurate record Facebook provides of who's seen a piece of your content. A quick tip on privacy: your story's audience setting controls who can see it and therefore who can appear in that viewer list. If your story is set to friends, only your friends can view it and show up there. If it's public, anyone who finds your story can be listed. If you prefer more control, use the custom setting to include or exclude specific people. This helps you focus the viewer list on the audience you care about. Remember, this applies only to stories. You won't see a list of people who visited your profile page or silently viewed your posts in the news feed. If you're curious about engagement, make story posts part of your routine and review the viewer list each time. It's a straightforward, built-in way to understand who's paying attention without guesswork or risky apps. That's it. Log in, open a story you posted, tap the viewer count at the bottom left, and review the names. It's simple, accurate, and the only method Facebook supports for seeing exactly who viewed your content.